All right, I am here tonight with my good friend Steve. And I just met Steve, but he's already my friend because why not? Anyway, we're at the Big Score Mixer here at the beautiful Port City Club in Cornelius, North Carolina. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh my gosh, so beautiful, right? But the best part is I'm talking to Steve, so hold on. Steve is here. Say hi, Steve.
Hey, hi, Steve.
So Steve is going to talk to us a little bit about what he does, what his superpower is, and how he can help you with what he does. Take it away.
I'm here to transfer my superpower to you folks. If you're the kind of person that's always wanted to speak in front of a crowd, but you get nervous, I can fix that. A lot of people don't want to get out of their comfort zone. They want to speak in front of a group. They want to be more effective because they have to give presentations at work, and sometimes they shy away from opportunities that would ordinarily maybe get them into a better situation at work, but for whatever reason they shy away from it. They get right back into their comfort zone. As I help you get out of your comfort zone and get the confidence to become less nervous and more confident when you speak. With a couple other tweaks here and there, will help you be able to engage your audience and help you persuade your audience. So the object of giving a presentation is to be selling your audience.
Who is your target audience? Who is your client?
You know what? Everybody is my client. I hate to be that canned about it, but I've got people from technical backgrounds. It all fits. People in technical backgrounds are great at what they do, but when they have to deliver technical information to people that are non-technical, it's hard for non-technical people to understand them. I show them how to communicate that language to be able to translate their expertise into everyday language. That's one example right there.
Awesome. So last question. Do you only help people that are here in the Charlotte area or all over the world?
But my venue is probably, down south here. Most of my concentration seems to be in this area.
Awesome. Thank you, Steve.
Thank you.
All right. Have a good one.
You too.